guys, it cut off again. God dang. I did some editing. So yeah, I just bought, where is it? This gun, bomb glove. It's pretty awesome. Goes bang. It's pretty tough. Look, watch.
A helipad is required to cross this gap. You'll have to find one on another planet.
Ah. Okay, let's go. Oh, have I done? Ow. Die. 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 I hate these dogs. Too near them. Perfect. Perfecto. Right, let's see what missions I've got to do now. So I've battled the native tribesmen, scout the ruined machinery. I'll do some of that. What's up here?
The swing shot is required here. You'll have to go to another planet to acquire it.
I'm guessing that's from the other planet. Okay, what can I do then? Find the desert riders. Right, okay. Haven't I been through there though? Oh, map. Might be nice. Let's go back through here. There's got to be something. Like, what's this way? Nothing. God dang it, I don't know what to do. Oh, oh, up here. Haven't been up here before. Why can't Ratchet go any faster? Where am I? I've been here before. It's gonna be so annoying. Continue point. Yeah, sure. I think yep, I have. Right, I think I might end it here. I don't know what to do. I'm being serious, I ain't got a clue. Well, don't forget to comment, like and subscribe. Let's see if I can get a gun before I go. That decoy gun looks pretty good. And it looks like we're going to the next planet. Next time then, to get the stuff. Without the stuff we can't do nothing really. So yeah. I guess don't forget to comment, like and subscribe. And as always, I will see you guys in the next video. goodbye. Poop.